JLG Tracked Spider Aerial Work Platform. This platform has an operating height of up to 26 meters and can fully meet various aerial work requirements such as the maintenance, decoration, cleaning of high-rise buildings, and the installation of some aerial equipment. The tracked driving mode it adopts enables the aerial work platform to maintain a stable driving state under a variety of complex terrain conditions, including but not limited to uneven ground and muddy ground, thus ensuring the high efficiency and safety of aerial work. It also features flexible steering, easy operation, and safety protection devices.